back to my channel, guys. I'm so happy to be back today. I'm super excited. For those of you that are new to my channel, you are very welcome. So today's video, guys, I'm so excited. It's gonna be an unboxing video, a review at the same time, and this one is gonna be my first beauty box. I'm so excited. This one is from Look Fantastic Beauty Box. I shop from Look Fantastic. Look Fantastic is a website where you can buy beauty products. So I've heard about this whole boxing thing. I was never really interested, but recently I went to shop on the website and I saw the section for like subscription box. I read about it. I was like, really? Okay. Since I've been hearing about this subscription box for a long time, why can't I just maybe subscribe? So I read about they have different prices, but I went for the £13 one. Pay monthly for a year. I went for that subscription and I was so excited. I just clicked on it. So it was after I subscribed, guys. I went to YouTube to watch more videos and people were kind of like, you know, they think it doesn't really worth what they are paying for. You shouldn't bother subscribing. I was like, oh my god, what have I put myself now? I went to the website. They have a very nice web chat, and I was chatting to one of the customer service. I was like, can I cancel please, since I just actually signed up today? She was like, no, you can't cancel, just talk. She was like, you can't, so you have to stick to that 1 year. I can only cancel the auto renew for you. So I was like, okay, that's not too bad. I don't know why I even did that. Really, why will I sign up for something? I didn't go to their Q&A section to really see how the cancellation work. I just signed up. I was a little bit annoyed, but at the same time I was like, okay, let me just go with it. What will I do? I've already signed up, there's nothing you can do. And the auto renew, I was so happy I cancelled that. I read some few reviews as well. People think it's worth it. If it turn out I don't like it, I can always give it as a gift. And the reason why I decided to go for a subscription box, guys, is because I really want to try different products. At the moment, guys, I'm really working on my skin routine. I want to try different products, but for me to go and be buying full sizes, that was one of the reasons I clicked that subscribe at first, because I think they kind of focus more on the beauty side of it, not really like makeup. For me, I would have preferred if they were doing more makeup than skincare, but okay, since I want to really go on my skincare routine journey, I think I want to try different brands. I use the Nigeria shea butter. That's what I use on my skin every day. The simple skin line is what I stick to. It doesn't irritate my skin. Makeup remover, they are just all simple brand. Anything about my skin, my foundation, I stick to one brand. But I just want to go out of my comfort zone. I want to try other products. I want to see other brands. I want to see the brands that works well for me. So that was one of the reasons I decided to subscribe, and I'm so looking forward to open this box. So even when it's a sample of full size, I think it's more affordable that way, instead of me going to the shop to buy very expensive brand that at the end of the day I don't even know if the stuff is going to be good on my skin. For those of you that doesn't know what's beauty box is what you subscribe every month. There are different subscription, like they have something for 6 months, they have something for 3 months, they have different prices, but I went for 1 year. This one is a UK beauty box. Look Fantastic. So you get different beauty stuff. I don't know what's in this one now, me that is telling you what is inside the box. You get different like skincare, like maybe sometimes they say you can get makeup. So let's open this. Ooh, I love the package. The packaging is very impressive. I love the packaging. This box is like very late. I think people received their boxes like 3 weeks ago, I think. Because I signed up last week. I kind of signed up late. I'm very late, but I still decided to do it because it's my first box. So maybe I would have just waited for next month so I can kind of just combine all of them together. I love any packaging with a bit of red. Oh, that's so cute. Red papers like this, just a little bit more romantic. So I kind of like that. This is the contest. They actually wrote everything here, like what's in the box. There's a step-by-step of how to use each of the products, which is very good. The theme for this month, guys, is unconstricted. So this March, feel empowered, inspired, and confident with our unconstricted addiction beauty box, filled with 6 expertly curated products to help you feel the best version of yourself. Okay, plus with International Women's Day. International Women's Day, guys, is past. I can't believe I'm only seeing this now. Taking place on the 8th of March. Are you kidding me? That is a long time ago. We are encouraging our subscribers to feel strong and united. Standing together, we can achieve so much more. That's true. Ooh, look at what's in my box, guys. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let me see. This one says Air Boost. I have right now is weak. How come they are sending me hair boost, chewable hair vitamins, pastilles or pastels? I don't know. 15 days supply, 30 pastilles, pastels. You guys will understand. So it's a strawberry and black currant flavored vitamin and minerals supplement containing biotin, selenium and zinc. Hair boost, healthy hair vitamins, 15 days supply, worth £12 49 pence. Start your journey to healthy, lustrous locks with these herbs hair care vitamins which combat effects of heat styling, coloring and aging. Okay, maybe because they added aging, that might be good for me because I'm getting old. Guys, I'm not old, sorry, I'm just joking. What's £12 49 pence? That's very good. Like, so I actually paid £30, which is about 14 euros because I live in Ireland. That's what I paid for the whole box. So this one alone, that is already like the value of the box. So that is very good for now. Take 2 capsules per day for best results. Ideally, both together in the morning before eating. Let me see. Chewable. Let me try it now. There's something chewable. I don't mind because I hate taking tablets. I hate this. Guys, that is so nice. I really like this. If maybe it was there that I used to actually grow my hair, if I have to eat 2 of this in a day, it's not bad at all. The taste is amazing, smells so good. It has this yummy taste. This is really good for those people that has a long hair. You want to grow your hair. I like that. So that's a very good one. Let's see what's on the next one. I'm kind of happy now that I actually subscribed to this box because we already start having something for wrinkles. So Time Miracle Wrinkle Resist Eye Cream, 15 ml. Okay. Worth £35. This eye cream targets signs of tiredness and aging, as well as tackling fine lines and wrinkles. Its smoothing formula hydrates the eye area to reveal younger, more radiant looking skin. Apply morning and night around the eye area to freshly cleanse skin. I'm so excited to try this today. Let's see. This one is 15 ml. I think it's a lot, really. Mandara. I've never heard of that brand. So I'm just going to be trying it here now. Yeah, the smell is not bad. It smells more like those baby kind of cream. I can feel some baby smell here. Not very sticky. I don't like products that are sticky, really. I'm not a fan. Anytime I use a product that is sticky, I just want to go and wash my hand. I won't really say it has the best smell now. It's sticky a little bit. It's not that very lightweight. We will see. So, I can't wait to try this tonight. So this brand is Ritual. The Rituals of Ayurveda Shower Oil. 75 ml. I was expecting those tiny sample sizes. Like the sizes are all decent, really. Indian Rose Sweet Almond Oil. I love that. Which will leave your skin feeling soft and your mind at ease. How to use: pour a few drops into your palm and massage all over the body in circular motions. Upon contact with water, this oil changes into a luxurious foam.
Nice.
Refreshed and smelling delicious. Yeah, I really like that. I love that. Because this one is a oil, guys, I can't really... Oh, it smells so good. This one is actually cleansing balm. So it said Rhoda B Venom cleansing balm, 20 ml. This one is quite tiny and worth £30. So taking your facial cleansing routine to the next level with this luxurious skin brightening cleansing balm from Rhoda. Skin brightening. Anything to do with skin brightening, guys, I'm scared of that. Did you not see my skin? I don't want bleaching cream. These people now that is sending me a skin brightening. Let me read this. Luxurious skin brightening cleansing balm formulated with bee venom and anti-aging wonder ingredients that smooth your complexion, plumps fine lines, and decugents your skin of any dirt and impurities. How to use: massage a coin-sized amount onto a dry face, then splash with a small amount of warm water to emulsify and allow the balm to transform into a milking cleanser. I think this one is more like a cleanser. This is going to be good after my makeup today. Anything to do with my shower, my cleansing, they are also special to me. When I go to the shower tonight, I'm going to be using that oil today. I'm going to be using this cleanser, jojoba oil and vitamin C. Okay, let me just read what's there, because here right now they are not really giving me everything about this. I have to see if this thing is for me, you know. The Venom cleansing balm to tone brightening formula with methylated peptide, jojoba oil, and vitamin C and E. They didn't really write if this is for dry skin or oily skin or combination skin or all the skin. I'm not too sure about this because I have to, when it comes to cleanser guys, I have a very sensitive skin. If I use a wrong product on my skin, within few hours, you see this face to be full of rashes. So many things, rashes, all these things together. I just hope this works anyways. So this one is Grow Gorgeous. Grow Gorgeous is the brand. It says repair, strengthening hair and scalp mask. Worth £3.75. Get visibly thicker and more nourished hair with this unique mask. Formulated with caffeine to stimulate your roots. Oat lapis to lock in moisture for that silky soft finish. Fortunately guys, this is not for me. I don't have hair guys. I don't know what this one is doing in this box. I don't know what this one is doing here. I think I actually did a quiz for this company. Like the quiz is about just telling them your skin type and stuff. I can't remember. So this is a wrong product I think. So I'm going to be giving that one out. So I don't need that. This one is so tiny. Guys, look at the size of this. This one is Elizabeth Arden. So I even have stuff from them. Superstar Skin Renewal Booster 5ml, worth £7.50. Designed to restore your skin's natural ability to repair and renew. Its fusion of super ingredients are resulted in over 90% of women agreeing that it helped their skin look less damaged and irritated. Apply just one pump onto a freshly cleansed face before applying your serum and moisturizer. That sounds nice. I can't wait to try that tonight, but it's very tiny though. 6 products we have here guys. I think this one is free product. I don't know. This one is for the eyes. This mask, instantly hydrating and cooling eye pads made with real gold extract to brighten and hyaluronic acid to plump and firm the eye area. I'll be very interested in this guys. Very interested. I can't wait to try that tonight. I kind of like the fact that they always write everything out like this, so you have an idea of what you're using, the prices. There's no cheating here. Oh, this one is the Beauty Box April sneak peek, which is good. That just kind of give you an idea of what to expect for the next month box, for April box. I think this one here is Bella Perry Cosmetic. Oh, it's a eyeshadow palette for next month. I'm so excited now. Peach Blossom eyeshadow palette. Blossom. That's like spring. Spring. It's a perfect springtime addition. I told you, Blossom. I don't really know, because it's my first time. I don't know if this is what you're gonna receive next month. No more. It's finished. Maybe later in the day I'll just go through this and just see what's inside more. Let me just put the prices together now. Tell you guys how much this box worth right now. See if it actually worth it. Calculator, everything right now guys on this box actually worth 76.64 pence. So at the moment £77 is about €83.34, and I spent €50 on this box guys. I still think it's worth it. At the moment I'm saving about €70. That's a lot and I really love it. For me it's like a treat for me, something that I want to look forward to every month. I think it's actually worth it for me. From reading it, I was thinking they are all gonna be like sample size. I was really expecting everything to be so small. It's only one small size I didn't really like, which is the eye repair, and I recommend if you want to get this box. I will try to put the link in the description in case some of you want to go subscribe. I'm happy I didn't cancel my subscription. The only downside for me is I was really expecting a bit of makeup as well, because that's what I want to see too, but there's no makeup. It's all skincare. I'm happy now that the next box there's gonna be eyeshadow palette, which I'm looking forward to. Maybe by the time I receive up to like 4 or 5 bucks, I can be able to tell if maybe you get a lot of makeup sometimes. I don't know. It was so fun to film this video today. The fact that it was an unboxing video for me makes it more exciting. So thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. So catch you guys again in my next video. Love you. So much for watching. I always like to end my video like this. I love you, but you know love you more? Jesus love you more. God love you more. So always remember that. So catch you guys again in my next video.